Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So I just have a quick little cleaning video for y'all today. I wanted to start in the baby's room. And y'all, I promise I really don't always let it get this bad. I've just been slacking a little bit. So I really wanted to get in here and get it cleaned up, get their beds made, get their sheets washed and get them put on, and just clean it up for them a little bit. I like for my kids to be able to have a little, like, I want their area to be clean and for them to be able to just do whatever they want. And if they make a mess, then I can just clean it right back up. But I like to give them a fresh start every day. So I just wanted to get in their room and clean it up a little bit. So, am I the only one that kind of gets OCD about certain things? Like, whenever I put Bella and Waylon's books back on their bookshelf, I don't know why, but they have to be in order from largest to smallest. That's why you see me going back and correcting them over and over. I don't know, it seems silly. They're babies, but it just makes me happy, so I guess I'll just continue to do it. I don't know. Does anybody else have any OCD things that they do like that they think are silly, but it really bothers them if it's not how you like it? If you do, just let me know in the comments. I wonder if I'm just the only one or if other people have silly OCD things just like I do. And just like that, I am done. I do need to buy some new sheets to put on Bella's bed. That's why y'all didn't see me putting any on there. So don't freak out. I do need to order some. There's Bella admiring her bows. So yeah, now I'm happy. They have a clean room to play in and they can start their day. So now I'm moving on to my fridge. Y'all, we bought our house in March of 2021 and I have cleaned the shelves in the fridge before, obviously, but I have yet to actually take these shelves out, the drawers and everything, and just scrub it. Let me just say, I highly recommend it. This was so satisfying and it made me feel so dang good to get this done and complete. Alright, I am finished. I love the way that it turned out. It just looks so much better. I'm just going to finish it off by just spraying the outside with my stainless steel cleaner, and I'll be done. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If y'all could please hit that thumbs up button and give me a like, I really would appreciate it. And I hope you guys decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching.